I'm Melody Weintraub, and today we're going to learn macrame. We're going to make a half knot twist. This is a macrame keychain I've already made with a bead inside. Here's the supplies you'll need. A piece of mat board that I've already written the measurements on. A piece of hemp cord that is 72 inches long. So you can just use this mat board to measure. Cut it off. Then you'll need another piece of string or hemp cord that is 20 inches long. Once again, you can measure it and then just cut it off. I'm using two different colors today so that you can see the process better, but of course you can use the same color if you'd like. The first thing you do is you take the hemp cord, the long piece, and you fold it in half. Then you take the 20-inch piece of hemp cord and you fold it in half. Now you're going to do a slip knot to attach the two pieces of hemp cord. Pull it tight. Now you'll want to take your tape and you'll want to tape the cords to the mat board so they won't shift around too much. You want to put the shorter strings in the center and one longer string on either side of those two center strings. So the 20-inch string goes in the center and the red string goes on either side of the center strings. So now you want to start the process of the macrame knotting, and you will put the string that's on the right under the center strings and over the red string on the left. Then you take the tail of the red string on the left and you loop it over the center strings and under the other string. So this is making a square knot. Then you just repeat this process. Once again, you take the string on the right, put it under the center strings and over the string on the left, then take the string that's on the left, the tail of that string, loop it over the center strings and through that loop on the right. And there's your square knot. And you repeat it to do a half knot twist.